Give a kiss. Give a boop.
Welcome to Bird's Life. This energetic lovebird seems completely obsessed with spinning around on a lazy Susan, which makes sense when you realize these intelligent creatures thrive on dynamic play and exploring motion. Watch this curious sun conure testing out a retractable tape measure, a perfect example of their playful, bold personalities and their natural instinct to investigate bright, noisy objects. This kayik is determined to wrestle with a sock on the bed, showcasing the uniquely goofy, high-energy behavior that earns these colorful South American birds the reputation of being the clowns of the parrot world. Proving that technology isn't just for humans, this clever ringneck parakeet uses its tongue to scroll through videos on an iPad, utilizing the soft tissue of its beak to interact with the touchscreen.
Officer Gibby, are you the police?
Officer Gibby, where are you?
My parrot plays peekaboo with the neighbor's cat.
This week, we have Lancashire, with a mum desperate to turn the tide of her family's current eating, shopping and spending habits. We are the Alexander family.
He knows when you're
What you doing?
awake. I'm singing Christmas songs.
Alright.
Bad or good,
Like a bird.
so be
Come
good
on.
for goodness
Can I kiss?
sake.
Let's talk about toys. Like a bird.
Zow.
He's calling my boy. What you doing? Come on, kid.
Can you sing me a song?
Alright.
Go on then.
Like a bird's out. That feels so great. Sorry, guys. Mom, it's me. Mother.
B.
This incredibly talented little parrotlet effortlessly clears the deck with a perfect strike in miniature bowling, highlighting the exceptional problem-solving skills and dexterity these tiny birds possess.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Samba. Happy birthday to you. Yay! You are 22, baby. Woo!
What?
Shut up.
You. Why do I have to shut?
You be quiet.
You be quiet.
You shut up.
Man.
Shut your mouth.
No
You
res-
be quiet.
Hey, no respect.
Shut your mouth.
I'm your dad.
You be quiet.
No swearing. Did you say that?
You shut up. Shut up. You be...
I hear you.
There is nothing quite like the sweet bond shown here as a tiny blue parrotlet completely melts into its human's hand for some cozy cheek scratches.
One, two, three, go.
With a massive wingspan and vibrant colors, these magnificent macaws take flight together across a busy park before one comes in for a flawless close-up landing right on its handler's arm. This playful bird has found the ultimate hiding spot, choosing to scurry upside down beneath a set of plastic drawers just for the fun of exploring tight spaces. This adventurous little green-cheeked conure loves catching some serious air while skateboarding across the dining room table to earn a well-deserved treat.